Now let me run this, and again we have some problems that we need to fix. Solid thermotype is unknown. We used solid thermo here. Fluid, here we have this. There are some files that we have not saved. Let me save all. Now let's run. fvSolution cannot be found for this. It also requires a fvSolution outside. Okay, this file is required. fvSolution is required, but it only have this how many outer characters are required for the pimple solver. Now it crashed due to some reason. It actually started running, and for radiation model not active, radiation property is not found. For which one? Region solid fluid, we have the radiation properties. Radiation model for solid was fine. Here it is solid. Then for where it started, for the solid, reading solid thermophysical property for region this, adding radiation, and then it starts solving. This is the coordinate number. Clearly there is some properties that should be non-zero, but here it is getting a 0 value. Here let's find out that what all properties are 0. Let's go to fluid first. In fluid we have this velocity. Velocity is not going to affect, this can be 0. Then temperature, let's see anywhere if we have temperature equal to 0 set. Everywhere we have the temperature set to 300. And then for pressure we have this value. For the internal field we found here it should be 1E5 as we have set everywhere else. And let's see for PRGH as well. Here it is fine. Let's see if there is some 0 values in solid or not. So there is only one variable that we are solving here, which is temperature, and there is no problem. Now let's try again. So we have to again run change dictionary, fluid and solid. Then clearly it is running.